Don't do any kinds of evil action. Perform always the good action, good activities, and purify your heart. That's the teaching of all Buddhas. Buddha said to perform always good. Always good means give dana and observing precept always. And have a helpful mind, kindness always to all the living beings in this world. Even you can see or cannot see. You have to love to all the living beings. And you should be abandon killing. You should not kill, and you should not steal another. You should not steal another things. Yeah, like materials or whatever it is. You cannot steal it, and you cannot do sexual misconduct, and you cannot lie, and you should not drink alcohol also. If you keep hold all of these 5 precepts, then it will help. It will be helpful for you to purify your heart, purify your mind. That's the most important thing, is to purify our heart. Yes, it's true, it's not easy, but it's not impossible. To purify the heart, it's not easy. It's not easy. It's hard, but it's not impossible. It's possible, hardly possible. And the thing is, the person who want to be happy, want to be peacefulness, and want a harmonious life, they should have a pure mind. They should have a pure heart, the heart which is absent of hatred, jealousy, and also desire, ignorance. All of these impure things should be eradicated. That's how a person became pure. Once your heart is pure, then happiness will be behind you like a shadow. That's why Buddha said, purify your heart. That's the teaching of all Buddhas, and also it's the teaching of all Buddhas.